Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the numbers 1 to 13 are written on 13 pieces of paper and dropped into a box. 3 of them are drawn at random. What is the probability that the 3 pieces of paper picked have numbers that are in arithmetic progression? Now here we have total 13 numbers, okay, and we have to choose 3 from 13. So the total ways to choose is given by 13C3. Now the favorable case is that 3 numbers are in AP. Suppose that 3 numbers be A, B, C, which are in AP, okay, arithmetic progression. So as these numbers are in AP, the sum A plus C will be 2B. So A and C are both either odd or even, so that we will get the sum will be even, that is 2B. Okay, now the favorable cases will be, as there are 13 numbers, so out of 13 numbers, 7 numbers will be odd and 6 numbers will be even. So out of 7 numbers, if we choose 2 numbers, it can be chosen by 7C 2 ways. Plus, out of 6, we can choose 2 numbers by 6C 2 ways. So 7C2 it means 21 plus 6C2 means 15. So it will give 36. Now the required probability is given by favorable outcomes, which is 36 divided by total number of ways, which is 13C3. Now 13C3 can be calculated by 13 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 13 minus 3 factorial. It means 13 into 12 into 11 divided by 3 factorial. So it is 286. So 36 divided by 286 is the required probability. After solving this, we will get 18 divided by 143. So our correct option is option C.